Did you know that the trillions of microbes living in your gut play a major role in shaping your life? It's true, your gut microbiome can affect everything from your mood to your weight, and even your food choices. Take, for example, a fascinating research that shows how transplanting the microbiomes of healthy mice into stressed mice can reduce anxiety symptoms, or how elite athletes have a bacteria group that helps break down lactate for better performance and recovery. When these bacteria were transplanted into mice, the mice's treadmill performance increased, and that leads us to question the interplay between pharmaceutical drugs and gut microbiome. For instance, a drug might be incredibly effective for some people and might not work at all for others. Why? We all respond to drugs differently. And that's right, some of these differential responses might be due to your gut microbiome. And that's where the need of understanding medication, gut microbiome interactions, comes in. Presented by the VinFuture Foundation, this exciting webinar will explore the latest research into the interplay between pharmaceutical drugs and the gut microbiome. You'll get to hear from our chair, Professor Pascal Cossart from Pasteur Institute, whose groundbreaking research into Listeria bacteria has paved the way for further research into the implications of bacterial infections. For 4 decades, she has significantly contributed to the science of intracellular bacterial parasitism. Joining as the distinguished speaker for the webinar, Dr. Nassos Types, group leader at the European Molecular Biology Laboratory, will share his insights into the ways we can probe the interactions between medication and the human gut microbiome. Dr. Types will be analyzing research into how we can reduce the side effects of drugs, especially antibiotics, on our gut microbiota. And we'll hear from Dr. Chung Der Hao, Wellcome International Training Fellow at Oxford University Clinical Research Unit, where he researches the microbiome dynamics of infectious diarrhea diseases and colorectal cancer. His cutting-edge work covers everything from genomic and evolutionary understanding of human pathogens to the oncobacterium that promotes cancer. So if you've ever found yourself wondering why a particular medication worked wonders for someone else but fell short for you, or simply want to learn to understand your own health better, the answers may be found within the VinFuture Foundation's July InnovaTalk webinar, Understanding Medication Gut Microbiome Interactions.